Alright, today is Saturday, December 21st. It's about 7 minutes till 5 in the evening. I'm gonna get this off the rip. There's Rocster. I'll go give him a cigarette, say hi. Hey boy, you wanna say hi to your friends? You wanna say hi? That's all you can go, boy. Sorry. Daddy loves you. Yeah, he's tied to that tree over by my window. It's only a 40-foot tether. I keep moving him a little bit. But, well, let's try to get an update done before it gets too dark. Try to keep it short as possible. Well, if you guys go back a few times, you'll see how clouded my porch is. I more or less got it cleaned off. Let me go over here. These bags I got to pick up. I'll be doing that probably tomorrow, if not Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Oh, Monday. Clean off the chair and get rid of that. Reposition my stove and my propane tanks. That's a generator underneath there. I'm going to have to see what's wrong with it. Then I get to bring the couchettes at that window. I need to get out of the house. Out here, so my boy can sit on that when he wants to. There's my boy. I'll just keep him in there. Now I'll go up here. I cleaned up this big pile I had over here. I still got full of that tarp, but otherwise than that, this area is cleaned up. Yeah, I love you too. What? You want to say hi? Come on, Daddy, free you up. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Say hi. Say hi. All right. Daddy's got some things to do. Okay? Dad, right back. Oh, I haven't showed you my shed. Well, it's kind of full now. But I don't know how well you're going to see. There's my shed. I got stuff in here. I gotta see if that pressure washer works. If not, find out why. I think it's missing either the inlet or the outlet for the hose. I don't know which one. It's got an air compressor. These little beams up here, I don't know you can see them. Maybe over here tonight. There's a beam right here. All I had to do is pay for the beams now. That was like $75 in those supports, those metal beam supports. All came less than $75 and shipping killed me. But this is one of those lifetime sheds. Lock the door. Oh, there's my rider. I got a fire going. You notice the car ain't there because I parked it up there. So I can get my mower around. Everything that was up front, I kind of put it back here and organized it. I still got 2 tires I gotta get rid of. But I'm working on it. I gotta pull out the wood that's in here so I can get my mower down in here. Started pulling some stuff out there. That's where some of that wood came from. Now let me just go up. It's not much of an update, but at least it's something. Let you guys know I'm alive. I cleaned my weed fest down. See that? All I gotta do is cut down this baby rose bush, whatever. It's got berries on it, but it's pretty. I'm gonna get rid of it. I gotta get rid of that one up in the corner. Now since I got me a good weed eater, with a bush hog attachment on it. I gotta take this out and cut that down, and I can get my mower here closer. That's for the reason I've been, because of the thorns. I gotta take this down. I still gotta pull my tomato cages out of my garden, mow that, probably rake all that onto the plastic and see if I have enough wood to finish that. If not, go over here in this pile and try to get some apart. And I got a bunch of black walnuts. If you can see them laying down in my yard. Well, I should say walnuts. I don't know if they're black or not. Oh, man, get me some black walnut trees. I got, like I said, I got a bush out, 2 down there. Then I gotta start, while I'm off, this till just after Christmas. Then I go to work for 2 days, and I'm off for another 5 days. I kind of like that. I'm going to start working on, finish cutting up these into manageable pieces and getting them to the get my log splitter back from a neighbor who's borrowing it and start splitting logs. I got that tarp to pick up. I got 2 tarps to pick up and fold, and then some wood to pick up. But at least there's one thing, I'm starting to do work again. It's not like me just moping around. And once I start in there with that tree, once I split it, I should be able to just go ahead and burn it right away, because it should be dried. It's been down for over a year. I'm going to bring my mower in with the log splitter on it, bring it in, and then just pick it up and balance it out and pick an area and start splitting. And then I'm going to make back area by the door, or that by that tree, I'm going to put some more pallets down and start picking and stacking all the. I'm going to split and stack, or I'll split, throw in the wheelbarrow, and then once I get full, take it over and stack, come back, split, stack. I want to try to get this all done by New Year's. I said try. Hopefully I can get a majority of it done, so I can claim most of his yard back again. Then I gotta get up into what used to be the metal shed that I repaired and the tree kind of took out. Disassemble that. Let's go get that scrapped out. I got a lot of scrap I need to get rid of, so I need to get a truck again. But that's it for the update. I'll give you another rocks. Oh well, wait. There we go. There's a nice little fire going on. I like these GoPro's batteries. I had charged it up probably a year ago. Finally start using it, and because my other one was dead, and I wasn't going to charge it, just and then not have time to do it. I'm going to have to move a place for these windows. I'm just going to move these windows. I don't know we're going to move them yet. I got to check them out, see how bad they are, how good they are. Because I got plans of using them and stuff. Hey boy, there's Rocster. I don't know what he's after, but I better free him up some. I got a bunch of sticks. I'm thinking about making them into walking sticks, hiking sticks, or whatever you want to call them. Not canes, just walking sticks. But there's Rocster. Let me get back on Rocster. Hey boy. Hey. You ain't gonna say hi? Come here. Come here. Alright. He's after something. But there's a good look at the shed in front of it. It's a 8x10 if I'm not mistaken. There's the side of it with the window. I could put it in the back, but I kind of like it this way because when in there I can look out on my property. Don't have to worry about the back end because my boy usually runs that. And he usually lets me when somebody's there. Alrighty. I didn't know I jabbed this long, but it's 10 minutes in, so I guess I'll just say, hey, thanks for watching. And stop on back. Talk to you guys all later. Bye.